You will need 2 people to set up the Creden-ZzZ plus the following tools: a mallet, a Phillips head screwdriver, a box cutter, and the Allen wrench that is included in the hardware packet. The black stripe indicates the bottom of the carton. The carton should ship and be stored with the black stripe down. Cut around the base of the box at least 1 inch below the black stripe and remove the top. Flip this upside down so it can be used for the debris. Look for the assembly instructions, as they may be mixed in with the packing materials. Once all the packing material is off the cabinet, open the flip top, slide open the bolts and safety chain. To prevent scratching, place a piece of styrofoam packing material on the floor. Lower the front panel onto the styrofoam and take out the mattress and drawer box. Find the hardware inside the drawer. There are 4 dowels and 6 bolts. The dowels are used to align the upper cabinet and the bolts to fasten it to the drawer assembly. Before setting the upper cabinet on the drawer base, open up the adjustable feet, also known as levelers. Turn the base on its back and unscrew the adjustable feet. These can be used to raise the cabinet out of the carpet, level it on an uneven floor, or make adjustments to square the cabinet. Now set the base where the cabinet bed will be used and insert the 4 dowels, making sure to put them into the holes without the metal screw threads. Lift the upper cabinet onto the base, line up the dowels with the holes on the bottom of the cabinet. Once the upper cabinet is well seated, open the bottom drawer all the way, lower the front panel, then attach the upper cabinet firmly to the base with the 6 bolts and tighten with the Allen wrench. Most styles have decorative hardware that needs to be attached. To prevent damaging the veneer, first push the bolts from the front of the panel to clear the hole in case paint or varnish is clogging it. Next, fold the flap back over the front panel. You will see holes in the fold-out panel that align with the hardware bolts. Raise the panels, hold the hardware handles over the bolts, place your screwdriver through the holes in the fold-out panel, and screw the hardware down. Open the drawer all the way. Fold down the front panel and fold-out flap. Dust the interior of the cabinet. Open the mattress and place it inside the cabinet. Each section of the mattress is sewn together. We recommend the 2 parts that are sewn at the top go towards the head of the bed, so this part will be under the shoulders and torso of the sleeper. To close, put the mattress away first. The trifold mattress will be stored vertically inside the cabinet. Fold up the flap and front panel, latch the slide bolts and the security chain, close the drawer, and lower the top. The 2 most common problems are: the cabinet is not square, so it doesn't latch properly and the front panel is out of alignment at the top, or on thick carpet, the drawer doesn't open easily. The solution to both of these problems is adjusting the levelers to square up the cabinet or raise it out of the carpet. The right and left, as well as the front and back levelers, may need to be adjusted differently to square up the cabinet. If adjustment is needed after the cabinet is set up, place a book beneath it to hold the cabinet up while unscrewing the adjustable feet. You can do this on both sides if necessary.